Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video I want to show you guys how to set up your M2WEAR smartwatch, how to set up the app and how to connect it to the smartwatch. So first you have to go to Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to Apple Store and download the app. After downloading the app, so I already got the app downloaded on my phone, so I have just to update it. So after downloading the app, I have to just open the app and do the other settings. So watch the video to the very end so that you get all the full tutorial on how to set it up and also how to connect it to your smartwatch, and it will be working perfectly well. I will set everything. So you have to click on allow, then click on direct login. So this is my password, so I have to just screenshot it and keep it or write it down, you understand. So then after some few seconds I have to click on determine to, then I have to input my details here. I have to choose my gender, my height, my weight. So I have to input my nickname, Michael. So I have to just choose my height, my weight, then I have to click on determine. So I have to search for the nearby smartwatch that I'm connecting to, and I'm also have to connect to it. I'm going to show you guys how to connect it successfully. So I'm searching for the smartwatch now. So you have to make sure that your Bluetooth is on for you to be able, and also the smartwatch that you want to connect to is also on and fully charged, you understand. So we didn't find the watch, so we have to bring the watch very close. Now we found it. So we are connected to W10 smartwatch. So it's connecting now. So you have to click on accept on the smartwatch itself to connect successfully. So you have connected. So I have to click on determine and agree on the terms and condition, and then cut it. Give the smartwatch notification access. So you have to go and find the M2WEAR app and give it the notification access. Click on allow and go back. So let's get back to the smartwatch. Here is the main menu, understand. So here is the main menu of the smartwatch. Just click on it. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on, understand. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on, and go and connect the wear audio of the smartwatch. So here is the wear audio of the smartwatch. So without you connecting this wear audio of the smartwatch, you will not be able to play music and also make calls. So you have to go straight to the Bluetooth settings and do this. You cannot do it on the app. So you can go to the Bluetooth settings and connect to the wear audio and allow it to pair. So you have paired now. So you have paired. So we have to just go back to the app, understand. So here is the wear audio. So it's pairing. I have to just go back to the app. You have paired. Go back to the app. So here is the main menu of the app. Here is the sport workout data. Come on the profile. Here is the dial. Click on find to be able to find your smartwatch. Go to settings. Here is the message reminder. Can be able to enable and disable any of these so that you'll be getting notifications on your smartwatch. So here's the personalize. Here is the system application. You just go back. So I have a lot of features right here. You can just click on this sleep monitoring and enable it if you like. Then choose any of these and enable it. So here's the dial settings. So when you click on my dial, you can be able to change your dial. There is your wallpaper, your smartwatch wallpaper, and you can also be able to customize your wallpaper by selecting your own picture. Like if you want to use your own picture, here's the address book. You can add your contacts. You have seen it successfully, so you can easily go back, understand. Go back, and then you can do any other settings like From here is the background. Go back, data menu. So here is the blood pressure. You can check your current BPM through the app and also from the watch. So all these are the main menu. Is for the historical workout. There is the workout. Click on go to start your workout, so you can be able to know how many kilometers you have covered, and also duration, which is how long you spent working out. So after that, you can easily pause the workout, or you can just resume. You can also work out with your location on. So but that one, you have to make sure that you have your location on. So go back to the app. So as we have gone back to the app now, I want to show you more settings on this smartwatch app. I want to show you guys more features that this smartwatch app has. So because this smartwatch app has a lot of settings, so when you go to additional settings, from here you can easily customize your watch. So I think I've shown you guys that. So here is rise to wake. So when you enable it, when you raise your hand, the smartwatch will wake. The screen will wake immediately. So here is power saving mode. You can enable it if you want. You can also disable it if you want. So here is your right hand, left hand. Choose anyone. The preference of the smartwatch, you can choose whether you like it to be at the right hand or at the left hand. So there's a lot of settings here. Here is on the auto alert. So let's go back. So I just want to show you guys all you need to know on this. So get to remotely control your phone camera. So go back. So this is all. This is the what I call it. So this is all you need to know about the this M2WEAR smartwatch. Hope this video is helpful.